we can't go in because of our sister. He got the key. Yeah, look, he shouted. You hear that? He shouted. I'll just explore for a while. This is the house that we're on my last video, the morning house or morning ghost. Yeah, that's the house. So I'll try to get in, and I'll try to unlock the. Oh my gosh, two cats, two. Yeah, two cats. Okay, I have the guide of them, so I'll just go in, unlock the door. Okay. Wow, the house is really, fascinating. It's really scary. If you go in, and if it's open, what's that? No, it's not. Oh, what? Oh my gosh. I'm really scared. Okay, Marius, be brave, okay? I'll just, like that, the door, that, and there. Done. Okay, it's locked. It's locked. Okay. It's locked. Oh my gosh. Sorry, it's blurred. Because this camera is only 1.3 megapixels, so. Oh, I'm scared when I what's that? Move the doorknob, but I'm scared if I go here. I don't like. Stupid. Yeah. So that it's now at 5:30, and look, it's very dark. Yeah, I'll try. I just steady the camera so you can, clear. You can see it clearly. I'll try to go there. Now I'm on the dark road, and wait, I'll go on the very super very dark road, no lights. Okay, I'm not here yet. Okay, there's a light there. Nah, okay, it's reflecting. So this is the village, and you can see. Is that an aurora? Oh no! Oh, look at the. Oh, you can see because it's dark there on that part. And look, that's our house. Yeah, no, not that light. No, now I can see it. Okay. It's dark, really dark. Oh my gosh, what's that? Oh, the fire. I like fire, especially when the fire is used by winter. Oh my. Someone is calling me. People, don't scare me, okay? Okay, it's my face. You can see, okay? There. Hey, cat. Don't be so alert. I'm really scared of you. Big, so big. The house is too big. And okay, I'll go now. I'll try video. I'll try to make a video tomorrow morning. 4:30. Yeah. Yeah, it's the same, but I will roam around more. Okay, bye.